If you need a thrilling, performance-oriented, and track-tested kit car that comes with stunning good looks, but not a massive $1 million price tag, then this Factory 5 F9R concept kit car is probably the model you've been searching for. The F9R is a digitally sculpted, carbon fiber bodied, 750 horsepower, V12 powered exotic designed to replace the brand's flagship supercar. Everything you ever wanted to know about this F9R concept will be covered in today's video, so definitely stick around till the end to get all those juicy details. But let's get right into what Factory 5 is and what exactly they do. Factory 5 Racing is a kit car company that for the past several decades has been creating affordable kits for the perfect in-home exotic builds. They've made over 11,000 body shells, from their infamous Shelby Cobra replicas to a host of imposing track weapons like their Type 65. Their motto, built, not bought. Since the early 2000s, Factory 5 Racing's flagship model has been their GTM supercar. It's based on their pre-welded space frame made of aluminum and steel tubing. It was designed so most of the ancillary parts bolt right onto the chassis and leave plenty of space in the back for an LS crate engine and Porsche transmission. A composite body and an interior are installed on top of that to finish off the build. The entire kit, which includes the interior and the body and just about everything you need to start the build, costs just under $25,000. But obviously, that price is not going to include a lot of key components you'll need, such as the engine, the LS crate engine, and a few parts picked here and there from the C5 Corvette. In total, Factory 5 estimates that the final cost of completing a GTM build is right around $50,000, plus around 600 hours of manual labor. But when it's completed, customers are going to be left with a stunning show car that competes out on the track as well. It weighs in at less than 2,500 pounds and is capable of going from 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds. And this is really one of the key things that sets Factory 5 Racing apart from other kit car brands that I've covered in the past. Their models are actually capable of beating out the real-world supercars that they look like. Factory 5 boasts that their GTM is faster on the track than a Dodge Viper ACR, a Saleen S7 twin turbo, and even an 05, 06 Ford GT, which is definitely not something to be humble about. But there is just one main thing wrong with the GTM. It's kind of getting a little bit old. The design hasn't changed much or at all since its inception over a decade ago, meaning that the looks just aren't cutting edge and modern anymore, and the C5 Corvette performance parts it uses, well, they just aren't as competitive in today's world of million horsepower exotics. So that's where the F9R comes in. It was designed as a replacement for this model. The F9R was first unveiled to the world at the SEMA Auto Show in 2019. A rolling chassis concept was on display, highlighting some of the innovations Factory 5 has been working on. The concept's rigid structure includes a two-seater front mid-engine design with a 104-inch wheelbase. Clearly, the most obvious change made on the F9R when compared to its predecessor, the GTM, is that the engine is no longer behind the passengers. It's been moved in front of the front seats, but since it's still behind the front axle, it can technically still be considered a legitimate mid-engine exotic. But since it's in the front, this allows much more space for an even larger power plant than the V8 the GTM used. The prototype shown at SEMA was packing a massive 9.5-liter V12 with 755 horsepower and 694 pound-feet of torque. As fantastic as that engine looks, sounds, and performs, Factory 5 says the F9R should be able to accept just about everything that their current Type 65 model can. This is actually because the F9R's new chassis is derived from the Type 65's space frame. That's everything from a small block Ford 302 all the way to a massive 5-liter Coyote. The body design of the F9R was released shortly after SEMA in a series of really awesome looking 3D renders. Factory 5 says this model marks a serious departure from their previous design process and was drawn from the ground up using CAD and VR technology. The company has been experimenting with digital exterior creation since early 2018 in an effort to move away from the outdated handmade designs of clay, foam, and Bondo. The result is a sharp, aggressive look with precise body lines and plenty of fins and wings. It's almost 80 inches wide and features a track-only nose designed for optimum cooling and downforce. Factory 5 says a street version of the car is also in the works, which will include a less aggressive front end and be called the F9. Theoretically, this body will be shipped to customers in exposed carbon fiber, ready to be installed on that space frame with no extra bodywork required. A lot of details, including the price, haven't been announced for the F9R yet. In fact, the company won't even confirm it for production. An excerpt from their website states, "For as much work as we have put into this design, production is dependent upon body delivery and evaluation, prototype testing, and final feasibility and pricing." A real-world example of the concept car was later shown in glistening exposed carbon, suggesting that testing is still ongoing despite the uncertainty. If Factory 5 does decide to move ahead with this model, I kind of suspect it'll be unveiled at SEMA 2020. I also suspect it'll come with a significant price increase over the GTM. Like I said, that model was just $24,990. You paid that amount, the whole thing was yours, ready to be assembled. Whereas the F9R, well, it's got a glistening exposed carbon fiber body to it, not some fiberglass composite like the GTM had. For that reason, production costs are going to be much higher, material costs are going to be much higher. It's obviously a much more modern and competitive model. If I had to guess and give a ballpark estimate to the cost of this model, I'd say maybe $35,000 to $45,000 before you get the necessary powertrain parts to fully assemble it. Like I said, that's a guess. I don't really know for sure. In fact, a lot of the information we have available to us right now is semi-speculative and subject to change before it's officially released. Will the F9R actually get a green light for production, or is Factory 5 brewing something even better to replace the GTM? Well, only time will tell. But you can stay up to date on Factory 5 and all their models by subscribing to the channel down below. I cover all sorts of really awesome niche kit cars and exotic cars that you definitely don't want to miss out on. So definitely, like I said, hit that subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.